my channel, and today we're gonna get into this nice big fluffy afro curly look. Yes, for the fall, baby. She's orange, she's red. Yes, this was actually an old unit that I just revamped. I decided to give her a bang, baby, because she's getting old. She's probably about 2 years old. It's a kinky unit. I just curled it. I wanded it with my Babyliss Nano. I'm going to show you that actual curling iron is so bomb. I'm going to link it in the description box so you can get you one, baby, because she got curled up in less than 35 minutes. Yes, she did, but you got to have the right tools. That's key. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this was a unit that I had pre-lightened, guys. I did a soap cap, and you can watch that on my other videos. I'll make sure I tag that video. What I did was just lifted it to a brown. I went in on the top with this orange by Matrix, and underneath it, I went in with this infrared by Manic Panic. So I was just utilizing some colors that I already had. This is what the actual unit looked like before. This is from our line on our website, and we are out of stock. This wig actually was like 2 years old, and I went in, I decided to give a bang and going to do some curls with this Babyliss Pro. I'm going in with this turn up heat protectant. You can get this from Sally's. I really like it because especially on this hair that tends to be a little drier because it's yucky. And my time is 7:50. That's the time I started. And I just want to show you guys, like, if you have a technique and you have a actual, plan when you're getting ready to curl hair or style it, it's going to go fast. So right here, I'm taking small pieces and I'm winding. I'm going to switch my direction. Right now, I'm going inward. And I really should have had on gloves, but I didn't because these things are hot and it goes fast, guys. So now I'm going in the opposite direction. I'm kind of rotating my curls because I want to make sure I give it like a texture and full effect. You can watch me do this on other videos, but I wanted to put together some videos for you guys just showing you like some of my curling methods. So I'm really not doing anything special, guys. I'm really mainly like timing myself because I want to see how fast I am and if I still really got it. I usually curl hair in less than like 25 minutes, but I think on this particular wig, it took me a little longer because this hair was like 150 density. I did it on my live one day, but I did it with a different wig and it took me about 25 minutes. So the more hair you have, the more time it's gonna take. But I'm telling you, if you have a great tool, you can get through any hairstyle like super fast. Okay, so we have the wig already curled, and I did not tint the lace. I may do it a little bit because I'm really not going to be showing the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the application using the bowl hold tape. Easy to apply and easy to remove. Okay, before we get started, we're going to clean our skin first. After you clean your skin, you're going to go in with our bowl hold skin protect. This is going to block bacteria and it's going to block sweat to make your install last longer. Okay, so when you're using your actual tape, guys, you got to make sure that you cut it right. If you notice, I cut it across the actual strip because I want to show you here. When you peel it off, if you can't do it with your hands, do it with tweezers. When you put it on, you see that slit in the middle. You're only going to have that slit if you cut it right. It's going to make it super easy for you to remove the tape tab. So now I'm just going in front of my hairline. I'm placing that tape down. And I am making sure I stay away from my hairline with this tape. I'm not using anything but tape. I feel like with a method like this, with me wearing a bang, I'm really not trying to glue it down. But if you want to do glue, you can. This is just an option. But if you use this glue properly, it can last 1 to 2 weeks if you do it right. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Okay, so on the bowl hold application using the tape, is super easy because all you're doing is actually just laying the lace down on the tape. Now, I noticed that a lot of people, you know, they have a hard time with, you know, shine when it comes to tape. But here's a actual thing that you can do. I like to use a cream foundation, not liquid. Liquid is just too much. The cream goes on smooth, and I'm actually putting it right there on the area where I parted it. This way I can press in and I can get a natural look. It's going to rid the shine and it's going to make it look like skin. But make sure you press it in. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my liquid gold. Even though I'm not going to wear my hair out, I just want to like do something right here on this hairline just in case like the wind blows or something like that. Even though I'm not going to really be showing the hairline. So I want to give it a extra hold, plus, you know, kind of maneuver these hairs because like I explained earlier, this is an older wig. I just wanted to try to get, you know, more use out of it. Always blow dry after application. This way when you tie it down, it does not stick to your head wrap. So I'm going back on top with that actual heat protect because it's very oily and I like it for this real coarse hair. I like the fact that I'm using this kinky hair because it's going to give me an actual big look and I won't have to tease it as much, but I am going to tease it. Now I'm separating these curls and I'm teasing at the root because I want it to be, you know, kind of big, not so big, but just big enough where it looks right on my face. And I'm teasing at the root and then I'm going to shape it.